and basically enabling the assets to be sold at the highest price possible.
What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we got to talk about MMTLP and everything that happened today. So stay tuned, smash thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and let's get to it. So here you can see MMTLP was down 10% today. And if you look at the overall markets, they were just destroyed today. S&P 500 down 86 points. The Dow 30 was down 403 points. The NASDAQ was down 327 points. The Russell was down 46 points. So as you can see, as we know, usually on Fridays is where traders will sell positions. They don't like to hold their positions over a weekend. So that's just pretty standard. But we're going to go over here. As you can see, at the beginning of the day of this, it came out here around the $4 range or so, like 440, opened up, and then it dipped down to like $3 or so, like there, and then it came back up to $4. So what that tells me is that was probably another short attack right at the beginning of the open, hoping to hit more stop losses. And it's kind of funny they took it down to $3 because that's probably where some people might have set a stop loss trigger. Now, people like me and the OGs of this play that's been in it for over a year, there is no stop loss. Like I said, this could go down to a penny. I'm going to sell everything I have and buy as much of this as I can. So, like I said, they're not doing a good job of getting the price down far enough because I'm just going to keep buying. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to slowly keep buying in. And if they play mind games and drop it, I'm going to load up. So here you can see volume today was pretty light. I think, like I said, on Fridays, traders don't want to really get in positions on Friday. They keep their cash available for Monday and reassess the market. Average volume 586,000. We traded 2.2 million in volume. Our buddy here, Tony from Market Moves, pretty much has this meme out here that pretty much sums up a little bit of what's going on here. And as you can see, the price collapse. I need to panic sell. And then, short attack. I'm only up 200% so far. Wish I bought more. That is pretty much the thesis of, as you say, us OGs on the bottom. A short attack. I'm only up 200%. I just wish I would have bought more. And of course, we always wish we would have bought more. We always have that moment where we wish we could have bought more. I wish I would have bought more when I was buying at 70 and 80 cents. Heck yeah, I wish I was buying more. But and you got people up on the top bar there that they see a panic sell, the price collapse, they just sell because they don't know what it is. So, like I said, guys, keep in mind this MMTLP has underlying value and 3.2 billion barrels of oil, 134,000 net acres, tons of wells going to be out here, man. Nextbridge Hydrocarbons is going to find us a buyer, and we're going to be good to go. Okay, so there's this video here I want you to listen to. It's by Houston Wade, and it's a very bullish take on his part of what he thinks what's going to happen. So let me make sure I got this right. I don't want to block out. There we go. So let's listen to this here. As you can see, this is a must watch. Houston Wade describing a possible scenario for MMTLP. Not financial advice, but I'm planning on to put most profits back into MMAT. Have a plan and be ready. Go beyond the MOAS short squeeze. So here we go.
TLP never should have been traded. So there's issues. But with it popping, would it be better to hold for divvy or cheese the squeeze? I think the divvy will be between 30 and 60 bucks. If the price goes above $60, I may hold up until those last few moments and just see how high it goes. And if it happens to go bonkers, I will sell. Because if the price is at $85, $100, $600, $1,000, that's more than I'll ever get off the divvy. And anything I've got to pay in taxes on it is going to be nothing compared to what I'd make in the end. So,
all right, so there's a quick summary. We're going to listen to the rest of this, but just my take on that. He's absolutely right. Once the SEC, the S1 approves that, there's going to be a date, a distribution date, and all of the short positions have to cover their shorts. You cannot have a short going into a private company. So that's what he's talking about. There's going to be, the rats are going to be scurrying to pick up these shares, and they want to scare you now to get your shares at a cheap price. because you can hear there, the dividend is possible anywhere between $30 and $60. And I truly agree with him 100%. That is where our price points are at. The price points above that is for possible squeeze scenarios. And that's what we're talking about here, because we believe that there's only very little bit of shares out there trading around the brokerages. And as I got people commenting in my tweets here on Twitter, that they have a hard time even calling in with Fidelity buying today. So, like I said, I think they're only doing very limited orders right now. As they get people sell, they may let people buy. It's very restricted trading right now on like certain brokerages.
I'll hold. If the price for some reason never goes above like $60, then I'll just hold and get my $60 from when the dividend happens. So that's, there you go. My guess is because you cannot have any naked shares when it goes private. You cannot have a single shorted share. You can't have any synthetics when it goes private. That the brokers may be forced to liquidate short hedge funds and family funds and everything else, and go out to the market in those last couple of days and just buy whatever's available at the expense of those hedge funds. I'd be interested to see Kerrisdale just how much they're tied into this thing and if it blows them up, because those guys are just a bunch of assholes.
I could not agree more with my man right there. Yes, sir, right. That Kerrisdale is a bunch of assholes. And we do want to see them go out of business. Hell yeah, we do.
So, we'll see. We'll see what happens specifically when we get to those last moments. And it'll be in those 15 days when the S1 gets approved, the announcement of going private happens, they got 15 days to clean all that up. So it'll be a real tight, constrained, 2 weeks of, we got to close this now, and whatever we can do, because we cannot have synthetics when they go private.
That there is, like I said, beautiful. And here we see, Paul here posted this on Twitter as well. MMTLP, huge short attack on Wednesday, 10/12. MMTLP was shorted a whopping 3.79 million shares, 58% of the total volume, for the past 5 days through October 6th through October 12th. A total of 8.8 shares were shorted. They are digging the deeper hole by the day, as all short shares must be covered. And there you go. They just shortened the heck out of this, guys. And we got the proof right here. The historical short volume for MMTLP, you can see it right here. All the short volume. Boom, 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 boom. They just keep shorting. And it's going to catch up once that S1 gets approved. And speaking of that, went in there and just bought 20 shares, guys. You don't have to have a crazy amount of money. Any little bit of extra cash you have around to pick this up for the opportunity of a lifetime, grab your ticket. Grab your ticket. And there is one I do got to show you. I got to find it here. Like I said, picked up 20 shares at $3.85. That's what I'm going to try to do. Like, I was buying back for this last year, 80 cents, 70 cents, $1, $1.20, $1.50. I have my shares all in those prices. So for me to buy up here, I'm just going to get a little bit each time, just keep adding as I can, and just keep building it out. And that's what I'm going to do. Taking a look at the current oil prices, because this reflects MMTLP, guys. This is our 3.2 billion barrels of oil. WTI crude's at $85.61. Brent crude is at $91.42, and natural gas is $6.45. And keep in mind, this here was the verbiage in the S1, the S1A right here, that if you are short this position, you may feel the need to cover your short position, and the price may rise significant. So make sure you go check out MetaMaterial News at MMAT News. And we had Gardner Wade tweet this here this morning. I retweeted this. Our time is coming, and it looks like a beautiful phoenix right there. And he said, thank you everyone for your support. The odds are in our favor. That is bullish. He is on like the MetaMaterials like management team, man. This is what I'm talking about. In George we trust. I trust these guys. That's what we're putting it at. Let me go find. I got to find it because I know my buddy William did this, and I wanted to share this with you because it's a really cool little meme. Here it is. My buddy William here, Robert Barker. Get your golden ticket. That's right, guys. Get your golden ticket for MMTLP. Right there it is. Get it. And you can get it right now for $4 a share. That's right. You can get your golden ticket for $4 a share, guys. There we go. And that is all I got for you in today's video. If you enjoyed it, give your boy a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll catch y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.